In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resources page for your subreddit in Reddit. This is a simple but powerful way to organize helpful information, FAQs, links, and guides for your community, all in one easy to find place. First, make sure you're on the subreddit where you're a moderator. You need moderator permissions to do this. So, open Reddit, navigate to your subreddit's main page, and make sure you're logged into the correct account that has mod access. Once you're on your subreddit, look for the Mod Tools option. On the desktop version of Reddit, you'll usually find this in the sidebar or near the top of the community page. Click Mod Tools to open your moderation dashboard. This is where all the settings and management tools for your subreddit live. Inside Mod Tools, you'll see a variety of options related to moderation, appearance, and community settings. What you're looking for here is the wiki section. The wiki is essentially your subreddit's internal documentation system, where you can create custom pages that your members can visit. Find and select Wiki to access the Wiki management area. Now that you're in the Wiki section, you'll have the option to create new pages. Look for the button or link that says Create New Page and click it. This will open a form where you can define the page's name and start adding content. For the page name, type something clear and easy for your users to remember, like resources. You could also choose names like help or guide if that fits your community better. Keep in mind that this is part of the URL for the page, so stick to something simple and lowercase without spaces. For example, resources will create a URL ending in /wiki resources. After naming your page, you can start editing the content. This is where you'll write out your resources, such as links to important posts, external websites, community rules, or beginner guides. Take a moment to structure the page logically, with headings and short sections, so it's easy to scan. You can always come back later to refine and expand it as your community grows. When you're happy with the initial content, save your changes. Your new resources page is now part of your subreddit's wiki, ready for your members to use and reference whenever they need help.